In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view history and notes in Xero. Understanding how to find and read your history and notes in Xero is really useful for tracking what's changed in your accounts, who made those changes, and when they happened. This can help you answer questions from your team, your accountant, or even from auditors, and it gives you a clear audit trail of activity in your Xero file. Let's walk through the process step by step, keeping it simple and easy to follow. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, you're going to look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, locate the accounting tab. This is where Xero groups most of your core financial tools, like your chart of accounts, bank accounts, and reports. Now, move your cursor up and click on Accounting. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu can contain several options depending on your access and setup, but what we're interested in is the option labeled History and Notes. Go ahead and click on History and Notes. This takes you to a dedicated area where Xero records a log of activity. You'll see entries that show who did what and when they did it. For example, you might see that an invoice was created, edited, or approved, or that a bank reconciliation was completed on a certain date. Take a moment to scroll through this list. The entries are usually ordered by date, with the most recent actions at the top. This makes it easy to quickly review the latest changes in your organization's Xero file. If you're trying to track down a specific action, such as when a particular invoice was modified, you can use the dates and descriptions to narrow it down. Depending on your version and permissions in Xero, you may also be able to filter or sort this information to focus on particular time periods or types of activity. This can be especially helpful if you're reviewing a busy month or preparing for an internal review. Remember, the History and Notes section is there to give you transparency and accountability. Anytime you're unsure about how something ended up in its current state, this is the place to check. And that's all there is to it. You simply click on Accounting, then select History and Notes, and you'll have a clear view of the activity history in your Xero organization.